What's up guys, Josh Campbell here at MarineMax St. Pete. Today I want to take you aboard this beautiful Aviara AV36. Starting up here in the bow, you've got a ton of storage under each one of these seats here, access to your windlass, and one of my favorite things is how high these gunnels are up here. So if you're underway and you want to ride up here, super safe, you're kind of down in the boat, even if you have the little ones, but you still have a great line of sight. Transitioning to the cockpit, we have this large port side entry here with the ability to shut the windshield, shut the bow access door, and keep you and your passengers back here out of the wind. As a captain, I absolutely love the way that Aviara laid out the helm here. You've got a large bench seat looking forward towards a triple display dash where you have your Aviara screen here that controls all systems on the boat, your 16-inch SIMRAD, which makes navigation, super easy, as well as your SIMRAD integrated Mercury vessel view, giving you all of your engine data, fuel burn, and remaining fuel. Forward on the dash, we have our Lenco self-leveling trim tab system, which will maintain stability on the boat no matter the conditions, accompanied by a drop-in wireless phone charger. Behind that, we have our Mercury digital shift and throttle here, as well as our joystick piloting, which takes all the stress out of docking. Coming into the cabin, we have a full wet head, as well as a forward berth, which is a great place to lay out, but can also transform up into a bench seat. Down in here, we also have our control panel, which controls the generator and the shore power. Coming port side, you've got a 32-inch Samsung's TV with Klipsch audio and a Zest microwave, making it a neat little entertainment center, bringing some of those comforts of home onto your day boat. Here in the cockpit, we have our gourmet galley, which features a large sink with bottle storage, your Kenyan smokeless and flameless grill, and a wet bar right here. Going below that, we have dual refrigerator freezers, and moving forward, we have an Aviara cooler neatly stored underneath the sink. Moving over to the port side here, we have our main social zone with a large L-shaped bench seat. One really neat thing to add is Aviara uses a cool feel technology upholstery, meaning that no matter how hot it is out or no matter how hard the sun hits it, your seats are going to stay nice and cool. As you walk out towards the transom, we have a large hatch with drop-in fender storage. Moving over here is a large sun pad if you want to lay out and suntan. If you're not looking to tan, we have our Shade that comes back to about right here with stanchions that lock in that you can leave the sunshade out while underway. One really unique thing about this Sunlounger here is these seats pop up as well as these three across here, giving what we call a stadium style seating or a bar stool seating, so you can sit 6 people back here facing backwards. This boat is packaged with triple 300 V8 Mercury Verados. One thing I love about these 300s, they are just super quiet, super fuel efficient, but with 900 horsepower, you really got that top end speed if you want to get there going fast. Again guys, my name is Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete. If you're interested in the 36 Aviara or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 813-401-1968 or stop in and see us.